Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Ducks Crochet. Today I'm going to show you yet another edge tutorial, and if you want to see all my other edges, then go ahead and check out the playlist on my channel page. And the edge today will be this simple beaded edge. So on any kind of work you can add a beaded edge, just a simple row of beads to spice it up. And this is how you do it. The first thing we do when we are working with an edge with pearls, that is to grab our tapestry needle and then slide on all the beads you want. So just grab some beads and slide it on your yarn, as many beads as you think you will going to need. It's better to put on too many than too few. I'm just doing a small sample right now, so I will not be putting on more than this. But now you take off your tapestry needle, throw that one away, and then find your hook. And then you work one row with single crochet. And if you want to work one row around a blanket or whatever piece you are doing an edge on, that's alright. Just work one row of single crochet. I expect that you know how to do single crochet, so I'm just doing a row right now. But you will just work and then you will slide the beads on like this. Just push them away each time you get to them. When you're done with your first row of single crochet, you will now chain one and then turn the work. Now you will take your first bead and place it. So slide it all the way up to your work and then skip your chain and work a single crochet in the next chain. So, or in your next stitch, sorry. So skip your chain and work a single crochet in the next stitch. So just work one single crochet. Then find your next bead, slide it all the way up and do a single crochet in the next. Find your next bead, slide it up and your next stitch, single crochet. Continue like this. Just find your next bead, slide it up and do a single crochet in the next. And this way you just continue all the way across. And then when you're done, you turn it around and then you have your edge. Amazing, right? That's how you do it. Easy, simple and beautiful. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!